Hey friends, if you wish to fix Windows BSOD error, unmountable boot volume, then please watch this video. I will guide you through the procedure. So the first solution is an SFC scan. Search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command sfc /scan now and hit enter to invoke the SFC scan. The next solution is a check disk scan, so search for command prompt in the Windows search bar and click on Run as Administrator. Type the command chkdsk /r/f and hit enter. Then press Y and hit enter once again. The next solution is to update Windows. Right click on the Start button and select Settings from the menu. Go to the Windows Update tab. Click on Check for updates in the right pane. The last solution is to update the drivers. Okay. So here's what we will do. We'll go to advanced options. We'll go to optional updates and we will install any optional updates that are available. These are mostly driver updates and that is how we update drivers these days. Was this helpful? If yes, then please subscribe to the channel. If not, then let us know in the comment section of the video on how we could help you further. Thank you for watching this video and have a nice day.